The Lenovo Yoga Tab 3.8 is a sleek tablet and is lightweight, weighing 472 grams. The tablet is available in slate black. The tablet comes with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal memory. The tablet comes with single micro SIM configuration. The 8-inch capacitive touchscreen is integrated with IPS technology and provides accurate color reproduction across a wide viewing angle. The Lenovo Yoga Tab 3.8 is equipped with an 8-megapixel autofocus rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. The tablet runs on Android Marshmallow OS. It is powered by the Qualcomm APQ8009 MSM8909 quad-core processor. This tablet is equipped with a 6200 mAh lithium-ion battery, which provides up to 20 hours of talk time and 95 hours of standby. The box includes tablet, charger, and user manual. This product comes with standard warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.